Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Ford Explorer Platinum in red. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, drive modes, heated rear seats, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7065.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.